Hello everyone. My name is Emma. Today I will tell you about my evening routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A to learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually finish work at 5 o'clock. I take the bus home. The ride takes about 20 minutes. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. I put down my bag. I feel happy to be at home. I go to the kitchen. I make dinner. Sometimes I cook rice with vegetables. Sometimes I eat pasta or salad. I drink a glass of water or tea. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I like to keep things tidy. Then I relax in the living room. I sit on the sofa. I listen to music or watch TV. Sometimes I read a book. Around 9 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with warm water. I change into my pajamas. Finally, I go to my bedroom. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes and rest. That is my evening routine. What about you? What do you do in the evening? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.